channel. All my new subscribers, welcome, and the old one, welcome to you all. I'll be looking after some salmon today. It's an all-in-one dish. I'm going to do everything in one and put it in the oven. So I'm just going to make a simple sauce just to season the fish. I'm putting the fish season. I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil. And Tony, can you put some sea salt in here for me, please? Thank you. And a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit of Jamaican browning. Just that little tip and a small bit of honey. And I'm going to be mixing this together. And then I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice to it. I'm going to be squeezing just a little tip of lemon juice, and then I'm going to be mixing it up. I'm going to be coating the salmon with this mixture. Just a simple Easter dinner. Coated the fish, so I'm going to be getting ready now to put them in the oven. Today I'm using the brush, so I don't need to put on any gloves. Just the brush. I'm going to be putting everything in the oven soon. So what I did was line my baking tray with some, they call it parchment paper, but I call it grease paper. Hope everybody can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to be putting some potatoes, which I half cooked. I'm gonna be putting some broccoli. So good luck, that looking good, right? Wish you all could have some. Guys, Tony's gonna just put some sea salt on the
potato.
Right? So you're gonna be talking now. and a bit of rosemary.
Nobody knows where rosemary goes.
Yeah, I needed the help. And I'm going to be brushing just a little bit of garlic on the salmon. Just a little bit. And I'm going to be putting some lemon slices on top of the fish. And Tony's going to put it in the oven for me. It's finished. Look at it. Thank you, Tony, for your help in the kitchen as always. That's Tony playing around. Let's look at that. I'm going to be sharing my dinner now.
As long as you share mine first.
So let's get into it. He's doing the onions as always.
Nice. Some potato.
So guys, that's it. We are going to have our dinner. Thank you for watching. Let me this. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend.
Tell two friends.
So bye for now. See you in our next video. Tony. Oh, I see Tony with the fork. Like him ready to eat.
Absolutely. Bon appetit. Beautiful.